All right, well, here's a real quick devlog 7. So I've only added really 3 things for this one. One of them is I have been working on like my grab system. So you can kind of like grab. I might add some like a hand that shows up or something to show you're grabbing the edge. Whoops, oh boy. But one of the problems I realized with it is when I'm grabbing, there isn't really any like rotation and like I can't really grab this while grabbing that, so it just doesn't. You can only really do it like statically. It's kind of unfortunate. I mean, you can still like jump and then grab and then release and stuff. I also made it that if you try to grab while touching snow, then you bail. And on topic of bailing, I also made it that if you try to do a flip and then touch the snow before you finish it, or close to finishing it, then you also bail. But like if I do a flip and then I touch the snow right after and I was fine. And then the third thing is that number you saw there is I'm trying to make kind of like a rotation tracker for 180s and 360s and whatnot. And it kind of works, except sometimes it'll like say I'm doing a 180, like I didn't do a 180 there. At least it counted that as a 180, or like sometimes I'll do a 360 and it just won't count it as a 360, or I'll do like a larger one, it'll only count it as a 360. So still a few bugs to work on with that one. But namely with the grabbing system, what I'm considering doing is just having like, or kind of grabbing and rotation, just having it that kind of similar to like a game called Snowboard Fun Park. They have like some system where if you like jump and then rotate midair, like past a certain point, you just like start rotating to where you can't control it. Like it just kind of forces you to rotate. I might do something similar, like maybe the velocity, the average velocity your board rotates with, like for the first half second off of a jump, determines like your rotating speed for the whole jump. And then doing things like grabs would still be like in line with the rotation. And then also it'd be easier to calculate exactly what 180s and 360s I'm doing, because currently it's kind of sketch, to be honest. But yeah, I'll have to see how that turns out if I can't find a better way to do grabs. Yeah, that's pretty much. I also messed up the Y offset, so that's why the board is so much closer, but I should fix that. Yeah, that's pretty much it though.